What's up, YouTube? How's everyone doing today? It is Friday, November 12th, 2021. I'm your host, Ty, and this is Smarter Gambling. So, today we're doing the show from Tendy Town. That is because all the major indexes are in the green here. Very good day for the stock market. Nice recovery. Much needed, especially for the NASDAQ. NASDAQ is up real big. S&P is up pretty big. Everything's up big. Except for crypto. Crypto is, it's recovering, but I woke up this morning like, what the hell's going on with crypto? So, yeah, I think it hit like 63K. Bitcoin did, earlier this morning. I think it's back up to 65, but we'll take a look at that. Yeah, crypto not doing too well, but stock market did great today. So we're doing the show from Tendy Town. Hope you guys made attendees today. What's up, Marvin? Appreciate you for being here, as always, dude. I'm so happy GGPI made my day. Yeah, we're going to talk about GGPI. Third today. Not going to do like a full analysis on it, but it was trending on StockTwits. So very noteworthy. We'll take a look at that. And honestly, I didn't even really look at it. I saw you posted on Discord about it. But I really didn't get a chance to look at the chart or the news or anything, so we'll check it out. But congrats, dude, man. Very happy. I've been seeing nothing but red in my Roth these past 2 days. Damn, dude. Well, very unfortunate. Sorry to hear that, but I'm glad you made on GGPI. And since it's in your Roth, I don't think you're going to take it out anytime soon. So, yeah, that sucks. Sorry to hear that. But, that's all right, dude. Don't make it back. And I hope you, GGPI, made that a little bit better. $35 price target. Yeah, you beat me to it, dude. We'll get to that, man. All right. So, got a great show for you guys today. Probably going to be a short show. In all honesty, there's not too much to talk about today. We're gonna go over, as always, we'll go over our daily stock and crypto reviews. And we have one piece of news today regarding Tesla / Elon Musk. Tesla was trending today, but really wasn't that much price action to where I wanted to, do a full TA on it. But yeah, we're gonna go over an article about Elon Musk and Tesla. And today for the analysis, we'll be going over SNDL Sundial growers. That's the big one. Number one on StockTwits. Major price action. We got to get to that. RIDE, Lordstown Motors. We already discussed this one yesterday, but was trending again today. So we'll go over that one as well. Although there's really not too much. There's really not anything different about what I said yesterday. But we'll go over RIDE, Lordstown Motors. Then these next three may not go in the video that I'm going to edit. But GGPI, WNW, and MRAM were all trending on StockTwits. Some pretty good price action. So we will discuss those. But the important things today are really Sundial and RIDE. The analysis really shouldn't take too long. Really not any news. Got one article, and there really weren't too many Yolos either. Surprising, because on Fridays there's usually a lot of lost corn with a P. But there really weren't too many Yolos. So we got a few funny memes, and a few Yolos. But yeah, no, honestly, this really shouldn't take too long today. Maybe hour and a half. Maybe if more people come in and chat, maybe 2 hours. But yeah, this really shouldn't take too long today. That's all right. We'll get out of here early. Happy Friday, guys. All right. So let's do it, guys. And before we begin, please hit the like button. Please subscribe and catch me every weekday after market close on the Smarter Gambling Show. And yeah, guys, please, I need you to hit the like button because that is very important. I am currently shadow banned. Again, can't prove it, but I just put out another video today. Yesterday's edited video. Put that out. I only got like 5 views in a couple hours. Like, what the hell's going on? I'm definitely shadow banned. Something's going on. And that's why I was going to talk about Loopring today. Loopring was trending, number 10 on StockTwits. But I don't know what I got reported for. It was either Jasmine, Loopring, or Rivian. Someone was unhappy because I said all three of those were going down. And by the way, Jasmine's down to 18 now. So I said at 35, I said it was going to 18. I said it was going down. It's at 18. It went down 50%. And so I get reported for being right. Apparently, that's how it works now. Anyway, that's very important. Please hit the like button, guys. All right, let's do it. Okay, yeah, I was looking at GGPI here. All right, let's do it. So the Dow Jones finishes up 0.5%. The Nasdaq finishes up 1.04%. Very nice. Big day for the Nasdaq. And the S&P 500 finishes up 0.72%. So, yep, great day for the stock market. Let's take a look here. So, number one, by far the most price action on the watch list here, SNDL Sundial Growers, up 27.82%. And we will discuss that one first today. Canopy Growth up 12.94%. So it looks like cannabis doing really well today. Blink Charging 12.67%. Shopify 12.02%. Riot 11.79%. Shopify and Riot were trending, but honorable mentions. Didn't make the list today, but honorable mentions there. Roblox going back up, 9.64%. Very nice. Tilray, 9.11%. Yeah, cannabis doing really well today. DoorDash, 8.16%. Yeah, looks like crypto stocks doing well. Marathon, 7.4%. Interesting, because, crypto went down today, so I don't know why crypto stocks are going up, but hey, whatever. Yeah, Chewy, 7.87%, Airbnb, 7.79%, DD, 6.14%. So it looks like a lot of growth is up today. Not so much value, but growth is leading the way today. Wayfair, 5.71%. Fiverr, that's been going nuts, 5.65%. Fun, this one was trending. PHUN, this one was trending in stock twits, but not too much price action, 4.6%. So honorable mention there. Facebook, good. Wow, big day for Facebook, or Meta, I guess. 4%. Beyond Meat going back up, 3.93%. Big day for Netflix, 3.81%. PayPal, 3.1%. Remember, I told you guys buy PayPal, not financial advice, but that got wrecked. I said great buying opportunity. PayPal is up 3.1%. Robinhood, 3.04%. Not much else. Moderna's going back up, 2.38%. GM still going up, 2.56%. Anything else important here? BlackBerry, 2.28%. Google, 2%. MMAT, 1.91%. Coinbase, 1.96%. Even the value stocks are doing pretty well. Amazon, 1.52%. Apple, 1.43%. AMC's up 1.37%. But yeah, a lot of green here. So growth and value are up, but today's mostly being led by growth, it seems like. Especially cannabis. Cannabis doing really well. And it looks like crypto exposure is doing really well too. But that's very odd. But yeah, today, big green for growth. Let's go to the red side. No, you call them Facebook, they're not Meta. Yeah, I mean, they're always going to be Facebook to me. I was in like middle school when Facebook came out. I remember that. These youngins nowadays, they're born with Facebook. They're born with TikTok, all this stuff, Twitter. See, like, I was growing up the time social media and cell phones came around, smartphones. So, interesting times, because I see all the kids nowadays, they're like glued to this stuff. They can't live without it. Anyway, Let's move on to the red side here. So Ride, Lordstown Motors. We're going to talk about this one second today. Already talked about it yesterday, but it was trending today. So one of the major, not runners, but went down a lot. But when we discussed this, really nothing has changed since yesterday. So we'll quickly go over that. But yeah, that's by far the biggest loser today, 17.56%. Damn, the VIX went down 7.76%. That's pretty big. VIX is at 16 now, which is a good thing. BKT, meme stock, 7.19%. Bumble, this got wrecked on earnings. That's still going down 5.21%. Yeah, I remember when Bumble IPO'd, and I don't know why people would buy Bumble instead of Match. You know, Match is like pretty much the dating monopoly. So, yep, Bumble getting wrecked. Go with Match, not Bumble, guys. Progeny, we talked about this one yesterday. 4.19% down. CEI, 4.39%. That's going below $1. Uh-oh. Looks like travel stocks are down. Airlines and cruises. Tesla is down. We got an article about Tesla. We'll talk about that. Yeah, Tesla keeps pulling back. 2.83%. Peloton still getting wrecked. Bunch of memes here. Bed Bath & Beyond. Fubo. You know, Disney is like low-key a good buying opportunity right now. It went down a lot due to earnings. But, you know, it's a blue-chip stock. Apes don't really care about Disney. But, you know, low-key Disney is a pretty good buy right now. Not financial advice. Naked. That was short-lived, right? 1.28% down. Viacom. What the hell is going on with Viacom? I thought this was a great buy at, like, 42 for, like, half a year now. And, it ain't going nowhere. It's going down. Wish down 1.1%. GME down 1.09%. GREE 0.94%. But yeah, basically, not too much red. Not too much red. By far the worst thing is Lordstown Motors Ride, which we'll discuss. But yeah, you know, overall, great day in the stock market today. So I hope you guys printed the tendies, the fat tendies. I had just graduated from high school when Facebook came out. You are the youngin'? Yeah, I mean, compared to the rest of the community, yeah, I am the youngin'. I'm in my, like, mid-20s here. The majority of the community is in their 30s to their 40s, based on the analytics. So, yeah, I am the youngin', but I'm looking at the youngins nowadays like, damn. I was real close to getting some VIX calls, but I just ride it out. Should have got VIX puts, which was a good move. Yeah, VIX puts would have been, or what's the other one? VXX? VXX calls would have been good. That's just the inverse of the VIX. But yeah, that is the stock market. So great day for the stock market. I hope you guys made tendies. All right, let's move on to crypto. Oop, wrong button. Okay, crypto time. Yeah, so it looks like not many people coming in the show right now. Kind of slow, but hey, that's all right. So we might finish early today, maybe an hour and a half. All right, on to crypto. So crypto's down 1% today. Not bad, considering it was down a lot worse before this morning. But yeah, down 1% today. That sucks. But it does appear like it is bouncing back right now. Well, let's take a look here. Let's start with the poop meme coins. Meta. The hell is this? Meta? It's literally the Shiba Inu logo with the Facebook logo on top of it. Do you see this? Meta. You gotta be kidding me. It's literally the Shiba Inu logo with the Facebook logo on top of it. That's it. That's it. That's up 725% today. Interesting. Elonomics, 557%. Uniswap Finance. Okay. Not exactly sure what that is, if this has to do with Uniswap or what, but that's up 4,778%. We got here Lucky Pig, down 13.66%. Doge Moon, 29%. Mestif Inu. Jinshin Floki Inu. Alright, so we got Mestif Inu, so it's another one of these stupid dog coins, 90%. And Genshin Floki Inu. Right. up 240%. Alright, let's on to the real stuff now. So Bitcoin is down 0.83%. Below 65,000 once again. Personally, I don't mind this. I do need Bitcoin to stay under 75K by New Year's so I can collect my premium on my calls there. Sold calls for the 75K strike. So that's alright. Ether down 1.13%, below 4,700 again. Binance pretty sideways. Solana down 1.3%. Cardano down 0.3%. XRP down 0.9%. Polkadot down 4.3%. Damn it, Doge. Come on, Doge, do something. Doge is down 0.48%, back to 26. That's nasty. Sheeb is holding up pretty well. It seems like it really doesn't want to go below 50. Like 50 is some pretty strong resistance for Sheeb. Or 0.00005, I should say. So that's down 5.43%, down 16% for the week. Oh, here's a bright spot. Algorand, 10.5% up. Mostly everything is down today. Honestly, this is a bit deceiving. The crypto index. Crypto.com's up 3%. Let's sort this here. So, yeah, this seems to be worse than, down 1%. But let's sort this out here. So it looks like 25% of the coins in the top 100 are in the green. Only got 4 coins in double digits here. Decentraland, 19.71%. Helium, 12.77%. IOTX, 12.57%. And Algorand, 10.52%. Everything else is below double digits. Not too much price action. And these are mostly minor coins here, smaller cap coins. Let's take a look at the red side. So yeah, actually this ain't too bad. Most of the coins are in the red, but there's not too much price action. And again, most of the price action is by the smaller cap stuff. So OMG down 24.44%, which is the only thing. Actually, no. And then Loop Ring, which I was going to talk about today, Loop Ring, but for fear of getting reported again, I'm not going to talk about it until I get unshadow banned, because I'm not sure what I got reported for. It was either Loop Ring, Jasmine, or Rivian, but I was going to talk about Loop Ring. Decided not to. I do not want to get reported again until I'm unshadow banned, because there seems to be an army behind Loop Ring and Jasmine. But yeah, that's down 10.15%. But really not too bad. Horizon down 8.92%. OKB 8.21%. Mina 7.71%. But most of these coins are in the green for the week, so it seems like some healthy pullback. Yeah, really not too bad here. And these are all minor coins. The Loop Ring feds watching? Yeah, I remember, a couple of days ago, I did a live show on Loop Ring. I got 5 dislikes on it, and no one even said anything in the chat, so I do think the loop ring army is out here to take me down, or like, or just the loop ring individual with no, with nothing better to do. But yeah, there's crypto. Not too bad, not too bad. So yeah, mostly down in the red today, but mostly affecting smaller cap coins, and it wasn't too bad. Price action wise. So yeah, hope you guys made money in crypto, and if not, hope it wasn't too bad. But overall, great day in the stock market. Okay day in crypto, not too bad. So hope you guys made some fat tendies today. All right, let's get on to our article. We have one article. Short article about Elon Musk and Tesla. Let's read. Elon Musk sells another $687 million in Tesla stock after shedding billions earlier in the week. All right. So, yeah, on Tuesday and Wednesday, I believe Elon Musk was dumping a lot of shares, along with a few other insiders, his brother and a few other people on the board. It appears like he's not done just yet, although 700 million is not nearly as much as he dumped earlier. He dumped like 5 billion earlier, so but this is still pretty rough here for Tesla holders. Key points. Tesla CEO Elon Musk's trust sold 639,737 shares in the electric vehicle company on Thursday, totaling about $687 million. The news comes just days after Musk and his trust sold roughly 5 billion of the stock. So yeah, once again, not done selling off just yet. Maybe he's not even. Didn't he say he was going to sell like 10 billion? I don't know how much he said it was going to sell, but yeah, he's stuck to his word. He's dumping all his shares. And surprisingly, Tesla is holding up pretty well. I will say that. So apes buying the dip here, but be careful, guys. I think Tesla is going to come back to 910 eventually, fill that gap. So, yeah, Tesla was trending top 10 on StockTwits today, but we're not going to talk about it because not too much price action. So it's an honorable mention. Deserves us talking about it, but we're not going to analyze it today. So, yeah, bad news for Tesla apes. But, all things considered, really not too bad. Really not too bad. So just hang in there, guys. And maybe even buy the dip. Not financial advice. But I wait till 9:10. But, as a wise man once said, buy the effing dip. Okay. So, before we get into the analysis, let's check out some post-market action here. Nothing going on in the post-market just yet. So let's get right into some analysis. I agree Elon has started to dump. Yeah, I don't think he's done yet. I think he still has to dump like another $4 billion. But, yeah, he stayed true to his word. And it's not as bad as... It's not nearly as bad as everyone thought it was going to be. Like, everyone thought it was going to go timber. It's, like, slowly bleeding, I would say. No gap here. Oops. So it kind of looks like it's bear flagging. There's a gap up here at like 12.10. So probably coming back to 12.10 eventually. But big gap here, 9.10. Kind of looks like it's bear flagging right now. So short term looks kind of bearish in my opinion. Not financial advice, but I'd load up at 9.10. Great entry there. Okay. Maybe even go for leaps. Nah, I'm not going to get that greedy. Anyway, All right, so again, today we're going to go over SNDL, Sundial Growers, RIDE, Lordstown Motors, GGPI, WNW, and MRAM. So, first one, Sundial Growers. All right, let's do it, guys. All right, here is SNDL, Sundial Growers. Here's SNDL, Sundial Growers. This finishes at 92 cents today. That is up 27.82%. So this is kind of a meme stock. This trends on and off on StockTwits, but today this was number 1 on StockTwits. So we have to talk about it. Major price action today. So there's a reason why this pumped so hard today. That is because we have earnings and we have some news. So let's take a look at that. Okay. So the revenue was 40 million. So the revenue was $40.2 million. Doesn't even say what EPS and not really sure what the EPS is. Doesn't really say here. Let's see if I can find it. Doesn't even say. Well, so the only information we have here is was that the revenue was $40.2 million. I'm not sure what the estimate was, and I'm not sure what the EPS was. So honestly, I'm not even sure if that's good or bad. But that seems pretty good. And in addition to that, we have some news. Some big news. The company is buying back 100 million Canadian dollars of stock. Don't know how much that is in American dollars, but it should be around 100 million American dollars. And it says here earnings were 11.3 million Canadian dollars compared to a net loss of 71.4 million Canadian dollars a year ago. So yeah, I don't know what the hell it said 40.2 million. So I don't know what's correct here. But anyway, it appears like earnings are really good. Way better than last year. Can I Let me just open the Seeking Alpha article here. It may have the earnings here. Great. I have to sign in. Never mind. We're not going to look at that. Anyway. So earnings appear to be really good. And yeah, great PR. We have a $100 million Canadian stock buyback. So I think most of this pump today has to do with the stock buyback, not necessarily the earnings, although that is an added bonus. But not much else to say, so let's go ahead and analyze here. So first of all, we have a gap up today at around 73 cents. So that would be a bearish indicator that is telling us this stock should come back down to 73 eventually to fill that gap. Probably going to happen in the short term, in all honesty, guys. This also looks like a cup and handle in the making. Looks like the top of the cup could be 108 or around 135, 140-ish. So that would be a bullish indicator because that is telling us this stock should come back up to 108 or 140 eventually to complete this cup here. The hell is everyone honking outside for? All right. So right now this is trading between the sideways channel, the rectangle of 95 cents and 83 cents. So if this goes to the upside, next levels of resistance would be 95 cents, 108, 122, 134, 142, 154, 164, 175, 193. Should draw another one here. All right. 216, 226, 297, and then the high of 396. And if this goes to the downside, next levels of support should be 83 cents, 78 cents, 69 cents, nice. 65 cents, 60 cents, 55 cents, 45 cents, 40 cents, 35 cents, 29 cents, 24 cents, and then the low of 14 cents. So right now at this current price, 92 cents, the channels to the upside are very wide, so expect significant price action if this continues to run to the upside. And to the downside, if this breaks 83 cents, the channels start to narrow, so expect a significant decrease in price action if/when this breaks 83 cents. The RSI is currently at 77, so that is overbought and overvalued, so be careful, guys. And this did 875 million in volume today, very significant volume, so this pump today was confirmed by the volume. Okay, guys, so just my opinion, not financial advice. This chart does appear to be bearish in the short term. I would say maybe this has a little bit more room to run, but I really don't think this is going to go above 108. I think 108 would be the most that this should go. And it may not even run to the upside anymore. It may just pull back. So I do think in the short term, this will come back down to 73 cents to fill the gap, as I mentioned before. And then in the longer term, this should run to the upside again. But yeah, I would say short term bearish, longer term bullish. So therefore, if you want to go long, and we also have the high RSI and the volume, which are also bearish indicators. So therefore, if you want to go long, not financial advice, I would not do that, and I would not recommend that right now. Even if this does run to the upside, like I said, I really don't think it should go above 108, so that's about 20% to the upside at most, which isn't a crazy amount of money. It's decent money, but nothing too crazy. And you would be exposing yourself to a lot of risk. So I just don't think it's worth it to go long here at this current price, 92 cents. I don't think that's a great entry. But I will say if this does pull back to 73 to fill the gap, then I think that would be an excellent entry, 73 cents. So I would support going along at 73 cents and lower. If it pulls back below 73, then you can just average down at these supports that I mentioned before. But yeah, once again, I don't think 92 is a great entry, but if it pulls back to 73 or lower, then I would support going long. Now, if you want to go short, not financial advice, looks like a pretty good play to me. From 92 down to 73, that is about a 30% downside. Pretty decent tendies. Not the most, but that's a pretty good play. And I don't think there's too much risk to the upside. Like I said, don't think it's going above 108. So going short here would be a medium risk, medium reward play, I would say. Definitely worth a shot, in my opinion. So yeah. A lot of downside potential, 30% downside potential. Not too much upside potential, but you guys should still be aware of that. Like I said, this may go back up to 108, so there is still risk involved. But overall, I do think going short is a pretty decent play here, and I would support that. But if this does come back down to 73 to fill the gap, I would cover there immediately at 73. This is not really one you want to hold for too long on the short side. So I would support going short. Just please cover at 73 cents. So congratulations to everyone who made money in the stock today. Consider taking profits if you're up. Not financial advice. And good luck to everyone currently in this stock and to everyone looking to take a position. This is SNDL Sundial Growers. Maybe this will spark a cannabis stock running frenzy, like in February. I remember that. Back when this hit $4 in February. Cannabis Mania Round 2. That'd be something. I remember Tilray hit like 75, and I told my grandma to sell, and she wouldn't. Uh-oh. Too bad. What's up, Low Roller? You buy Sundial when it reaches 60 cents, then sell it $1. Yeah, I would say 73, definitely. Sell it at $1, maybe a while before that. I mean, it's actually almost at $1. No, you gotta wait till Cannabis Frenzy, till it goes back to $4. Sell it there. Did I cover crypto already? Yeah, I did, dude. Came in late, man. But hey, appreciate you for being here. And it's probably going to be a shorter show today. So next one, Ride. And this is... So we're going to do Ride. And then that's it for the technical analysis. Then we're going to get to GGPI, WNW, and MRAM. But we're not going to do like a full analysis on those. We're just going to take a look. Did your grandma holding the bag for Tilray? I don't think she's holding the bag, but she didn't sell at the high. She's always complaining to me. Why isn't it going up? Why isn't it going up? This law is passing. This law is passing. This state legalized. Blah, 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 blah. I'm like, why didn't you sell at 70? So, no, I don't think she's holding the bag, but definitely a missed opportunity. Anyway, thanks for being here, dude. Appreciate you. Alright, so, yeah, let's get through Ride, Lordstown Motors, and the rest of the show should go pretty quick from there. And, yeah, this is the exact same thing as yesterday. Really nothing is going to change about this one. Okay, here's RIDE, Ride Lordstown Motors. This finishes at $5.68 today. That is down 17.56%. So the reason why this is pulling back so much today is because of bad earnings. So let's take a look at that. And we already discussed this yesterday. And really nothing has changed about this stock since then. So this is going to be pretty much what I said yesterday. But let's do it, guys. So the EPS was negative 54 cents, which beat the estimate of negative 59 cents. And it says the net loss for Q3 was $95.8 million. I don't think there was any revenue. Because they have not made any deliveries just yet. There's also a price downgrade. RBC cuts its price target to $4. So it actually beat on EPS, but the company lost almost $100 million this quarter. No revenue. So the market does not seem to like that. The institutions does not seem to like that. And the stock is getting wrecked right now, down 17.56%. So not much else to say. Let's go ahead and analyze here. You tell your grandma sell Tilray at $70, she can rebuy Tilray at 10. I mean, I did tell her to sell at 70. Probably gonna be a while before it gets there again. But that would have been super Chad. Sell at 70, rebuy at 10. Your grandma investing in crypto like Bitcoin, Dogecoin, Shiba Inu. I have Bitcoin for her. I did get her into Bitcoin. But no, not Doge and Shiba. And at the time, she wasn't even a thing, and Doge was a complete joke. It was still a meme back then. It still is a meme, but Doge was not for real back then. That was back when it was like below a cent, I think. Anyway, let's go ahead and analyze here. So right now, this is trading between the sideways channel, the rectangle of... Actually, let's rewind a little bit. So first of all, we have a gap down at 22.65. So that would be a bullish indicator that is telling us this stock should come back up to 22.65 eventually to fill this gap. And in all honesty, that's probably going to be a while. But eventually, this should come back up to 22.65 to fill this gap. So bullish indicator there. This also looks like a possible cup and handle in the making here. top of the cup being 880 and the bottom being around 470. So that would be a bullish indicator that is telling us the stock should come back up to 880 to complete the top of the cup here. So right now this is trading between the sideways channel, the rectangle of 580 and 525. So if this goes to the upside, next levels of resistance would be 580, 635, 695, 745, 805, 880, 970, 1040, $11, 1180, 1245, 1355, 1475, 1620, 1725, 1855, $20, 2150, 2265, 2340, 2465, 2585, 2695, 2850, 2945, 3090, and then the high of 3157. And if this goes to the downside, next levels of support would be 525 and then the low of 470. So right now at this current price, 568, the channels to the upside and the downside are decently sized, so expect a good amount of price action either way this goes. However, if/when this breaks 1245 to the upside, the channels start to open up and get real wide, so expect significant price action. So expect a significant increase in price action if/when this breaks 1245. The RSI is currently at 50, so extremely average there. So according to the RSI, this current price, 568, is around fair market value. And this did 34.5 million in volume today. Very significant volume. So this sell-off today was confirmed by the volume. I bought Doge for fun, didn't expect anything. I mean, yeah. You did real good on that one. I bought Doge for fun back in 2017, and I dumped it for a 100% gain. So, clown on me. Should have held. What's up, Busy Bone? Thanks for being here, man. Appreciate you, dude. And for everyone who came in late, could you please hit the like button, please? I would greatly appreciate that. I need your support because I'm currently shadow banned. I need to get unshadow banned. So the only way that's going to happen is, getting likes and views. So please do that, guys. Appreciate you guys. BKSY took a giant dump. I did not see that, but we could check that out once we're done with this. Almost done here. Your Verge making comeback in crypto? I don't have Verge anymore. I dumped my Verge. I just got Redcoin. I dumped my Verge. I dumped my SIA. All these stupid penny coins. What was the other one I had? Like Bytecoin or something? I can't even remember. I had SIA, Verge, Redcoin, Bytecoin, some other stupid stuff. I dumped all of it except for Redcoin because I can't even sell it right now. Okay. Okay, guys, so just my opinion, not financial advice. Personally, I don't really like this stock. I don't like the fundamentals. I don't like all this negative PR that's been going on the past couple of months. But we're just going to talk about the chart here. The chart does look bullish, I have to admit. Again, we have the gap down at 22... What is this? We have the gap down at 2265, bullish indicator. And the cup and handle, bullish indicator. Really can't go too much more to the downside. Very strong support at 470. I highly doubt it's going to break 470. So therefore, if you want to go long, not financial advice, I could support that. I think this current price, 570, is a pretty good entry. Really can't get too much lower than this, but if it does pull back, then you could just average down at 525 and 470. And again, this really should not break 470. So yeah, I support it. Go for it, guys. 570, really good entry. And if it pulls back, then you can just average down. Really can't go too much lower than this. This is a really, really good entry. And if you hold long enough, if you hold for the long term, this should come back up to 22.65 to fill this gap here. So, yeah, this is a great entry right here, and this is a good long-term hold, I would say. Now, if you want to go short, not financial advice, I would not do that, and I would not recommend that. Doesn't make too much sense. Again, very bullish-looking chart here. No bearish indicators. Not too much downside potential. The most this should go to the downside is 470. And it probably won't even go back there. So you'd be shorting for crumbs here, and you'd be exposing yourself to a lot of risk to the upside of getting squeezed out. So it just doesn't really make too much sense going short here. No reason to do that. Very risky. Please don't go short here, guys. That's a bad idea. So, sorry to everyone who lost money in the stock today. Nasty. But like I said, this is a great buying opportunity. And good luck to everyone currently in this stock and to everyone looking to take a position. This is RIDE, Ride Lordstown Motors. And here comes the siren. Gonna talk over it, guys. Can you withdraw your red coin in the exchange? You can stake it so you can make some money back. Red coin development team is busy, but the community is dead and is not listed on major exchange. I believe it's in my wallet. It's not even on an exchange. It's in my red coin wallet. I used to stake it. Actually. But it's really not even worth it to stake it, because you don't make that much money. It's not even worth that much money. And I was paying for the what do you call it? The virtual computer, the virtual server, to stake my red coin in. And it actually costs more to pay per month to keep the virtual server up than I was making in red coin. So I was like, what the hell's the point of staking this anymore? But at the time, I was staking multiple coins. I dumped it all. So it's actually less profitable to stake it than to like stake it on a virtual computer. I can stake it on my regular computer, but don't really want to do that. Yeah, I don't really mind about getting money back. Like, I'm up 100%. I bought it. I don't know what it's at right now, but last time I checked, I was in for $500. Now it's like at $1,000. So I did double up, which is pretty good. That's pretty cool. But yeah, I just really needed to hit a major exchange, like Coinbase or something, Binance US, whatever, Robinhood, so I could dump this stuff. So I really don't care about getting money back. I'm up 100%. I don't care about staking that. I just want to dump it at this point, but I can't. The only thing you could really dump it on is on Bittrex, which is not legal in New York, so I can't even do that. So yeah, I'm just holding right now. Anyway, guys, so let's take a look at BKSY for Busybone. This looks like a SPAC. Just guessing. But it looks like a SPAC. I thought you stake coin in your computer. It should be free. It is free. But I just don't want to stake it on my regular computer, like keeping my wallet open all the time. I was staking it on a virtual computer, which I paid like $20 a month for. And I wasn't making $20 a month staking red coin. I was when I was staking multiple coins. I was staking like Buzz Coin, Ember Coin, all this other stuff. Like way back, all these shit coins back in the day. So at the time, it did make sense. I was thinking B3, all this crazy stuff. So yeah, B3, I remember that one. B3, I put like 500 bucks, it turned into 80K. That was insane. And it went right back down to like, I should have sold it, but it went back down to like, I still made money on it, but I literally put 500 bucks in this thing. It went up to 80K, and then it went back down to like 2,000 bucks. So, glad on me for not selling that, but lesson learned. But yeah, I remember that back in the day. I was like, what is staking? I was new to all the staking stuff. Proof of stake. That was fun times. That was fun times. So, no more staking for me. But I sold all those staking coins. I just got red coin now. It's not even worth it. You can try Bitmart Exchange. Use your old computer to stake. Yeah, I can. That's an idea. It really doesn't matter, dude. It's really not that much. Bitmart, I can take a look at that. I'm not too familiar about that. That does not sound legal in New York, though. I give you that. So maybe if I use a VPN or something, I'll check it out though. Thanks for that, low roller. Post spec. Yep. Yeah, this looks like your typical spec here. Pump. Sideways. Dump. But yeah, down 13.15%. Black Sky Technology. Wasn't there like Green Sky also? Goldman Sachs got in trouble for that, I remember. Because they were like insider trading or something. There's like Green Sky, then Blue Sky Technologies. I don't know, but it says earnings here. Yeah, it's getting wrecked. Getting wrecked. But pretty strong support here at like 880-ish. So this looks like a good buying opportunity. Not financial advice. Very strong support here. I have no idea what this is, but just looking at the chart, this looks like, yeah, this is literally the all-time low. Great buying opportunity. So, yep. I would say go for it. Not financial advice. Keep getting wrecked. Satellites. Okay, that makes sense. Satellites. Yeah, no idea, but this SPAC stuff is dangerous. All right, what's next? We got GGPI, WNW, and MRAM. So this shouldn't take too long. We're just gonna look at these. So yeah, GGPI, Goris Guggenheim. No idea what this is, but Marvin really likes this one, and this was trending on StockTwits today. Damn, this is up a lot. 15.82% today. Yeah, there was a price upgrade here. Seeking Alpha sets $35 price target. Seeking Alpha is not a hedge fund, so I would not give this one, I would not, give this one too much weight, but that is really good. And it seems to be the only reason why this is pumping today. $35 price target, which is insane. That's, 3x from here. But RSI is at 77. All-time high. Could be a good time to sell. Not financial advice, but yeah, great. Big run today. Probably not going to 35 for a while, let's be honest. Probably in the long term, but not anytime soon. In the short term, if you want to trade this looks like a good sell right now, I would say. Not financial advice. You can buy all crappy coin again. If you double or triple your money, you can take profit. You have experience and you were smarter this time. Yeah, this time it's a little bit harder. Back then that was the Wild West when like anything goes. When you could just make a burner email and then just trade as much money as you want. It's a lot harder nowadays. You have to verify. You can't just buy any poop coin anymore. I mean, I guess you can on like Pancake Swap, on Uniswap. But things are a bit different now, 5 years later. 4 or 5 years later. And honestly, I don't want to go through that kind of stress again. I mean, like this time I would be more experienced, but back then I was really, because back then the consensus was diamond hands. There wasn't even diamond hands. It was HODL back then. There was no such thing as diamond hands. It was HODL, HODL. And I was so convinced. HODL, HODL, HODL. And I just HODLed everything. And a bunch of stuff I made money on, like Verge, Red Coin, Buzz Coin, B3, Ember Coin. All this stuff was mooning, and then I just hodled it, and then it came right back down. And I did come out in the green, but yeah, in hindsight, I should have just sold everything. But back then the consensus was to hodl. That was the strategy. Nobody knew better back then. This time around, I can buy it again, but yeah, it's a lot different now. A lot more regulation. You can't use all these exchanges now. So I'm okay with just, loading Doge and Sheep. Honestly. KuCoin has those crappy coins. I can't use KuCoin. Not legally, at least. I mean, I can with the VPN. I'm just very, very scared of getting locked out of my account. I do not want that to happen. Because legally, I'm not supposed to use KuCoin in the US. That's illegal. And Binance. You could do the same thing there. But the last thing I want is to, load thousands of dollars into an exchange I'm not supposed to be on, and then they lock me out of my account. It actually did happen on Binance. I forgot my password or something. No, I think it was KuCoin. I forgot my PIN. And they're like, well, you need to verify if you want to change your PIN. And I'm like, hell no, I'm not going to verify. So after months of going back and forth, they finally let me submit screenshots of my account, and then they unlocked my PIN. Thank God, because I had a couple $1,000s on there that would have been lost. But I don't want to go through that again. So nowadays, I'm okay just holding Doge and Sheep. I like my Doge, although it's not doing too well right now. And if Sheep pulls back to 25, I'm in there. All right, what's next one? W and W. Just use pin number 10. All right, I tell you this. I set the pin to 00. I thought I did to 0000. Right? It was literally 0000. How can I forget that? And for some reason, it didn't work. So I don't know if I'm just stupid and it wasn't 0000, or it just got changed on its own. But for some reason, it did not work. And I'm like, what the hell? And then I used all my pins. I used all the, you only have a certain amount of attempts. I used 5 attempts, and I got locked out of my account. And then I'm like, how is this possible? The pin was 0000. And, but eventually I figured it out. But yeah, ridiculous stuff. I don't want to have to go through that again. Are you watching Doge Elon Mars since it is on crypto.com? I am not, but I should. I really should. What's it at now? I'm not convinced yet. I'm not convinced about Doge Elon Mars. Sheep is real. Doge is real. I'm not convinced about Doge Elon Mars yet. But if it goes low enough, sure, why not? I'll buy it. I have no idea what it's at right now. All right, so WNW. I think this is going up for absolutely no reason. Yeah, this is really going up for no reason at all. So, what the hell is this? Sounds like a Chinese company, but look, this has been sideways for so long. Goes up 37.5% today, and it barely made a dent in the chart here. So I don't know about this one. I don't know how you would buy this one right now. Very sketchy. But this is the biggest volume day ever, 45 mil. I wouldn't buy it right here, but hey, if it pulls back a little bit, sure, why not? Really can't go too much lower. But this was trending on StockTwits. Don't know why, but up 37.5% today. Then last one, MRAM. All right, so Everspin Technologies. This was also trending on StockTwits. Up 63.22% right here. And going in the aftermarket. So I think this one had earnings and an upgrade. MRAM. Yeah, so earnings, 5 cent EPS beat the 1 cent estimate 14.8 million revenue beat 12.2 million estimate. So great earnings. Need them upgrades to $12 price target. So really good earnings, really good PR or upgrade, and yeah, stock is up a lot today. So gap up at 670, probably coming back down to 670. RSI is at 85, really overbought, overvalued. 92 million volume today, biggest volume day ever. So I would not go for this one right here. Looks like a pretty good short play, not financial advice, guys. But chart looks really bearish. Gap up, high RSI, high volume, all-time high, should be pulling back in the short term. 17 Dog Elon Mars is like lottery tickets. I mean, aren't all of crypto, like pretty much everything below 50 on the market cap? Like anything below number 50 is pretty much a lottery ticket in my opinion. Definitely anything below 100 is a lottery ticket. All right, guys. So yeah, that's all the analysis for today. Real quick. That's it. So let's get on to the Yolos. Like I said, should be a short show today. We do have some aftermarket action here. OXBR, no idea what that is, but that's mooning. And GGPIW is mooning too. So congrats, Marvin. Marvin, do you have GGPIW or just GGPI? Don't know if you're still here. I haven't heard you chat in a while, dude, but curious if you have GGPIW. That's mooning in the aftermarket here. But let's check out OXBR before we get onto the Yolos. Seems like they had earnings. Yeah, they had earnings. That's why this is going up. OXBR mooning right now. Look at that. Nice. Is Saitama is trending on stock twits today? I don't think so. I did not. I don't think so. We can check. I don't think it was though. Oh, it was. It was. Oh, look at that. Number two trending after GGPI. Interesting. Okay. I have no idea what it is. It doesn't even say what the price change is. But it is trending. Number 2 right now. Okay. Yeah. Saitama Inu. Was that on I don't think it was here on the recent added. Yeah, it was Jinshin Floki Inu. Genshin Floki Inu. That was trending. Not trending, but recently added. And Mastif Inu. This stuff is ridiculous. Yeah. Saitama Inu. No idea what that is. It is meme coin like shoot. I mean, obviously, yes. What is the... What's the ticker for that? $2,726. Is this the right one? I think so. 39%. Yeah, I'm not gonna go for this one. But there's everything Inu now. Every type of dog Inu. So, yeah, I'm not gonna go for it. But it is trending right now. I did not see that before. Both. All right. I mean, congrats, Marvin. It's Princeton right now. All right, guys, on to the Yolos. Give me 1 second. Let's pull it up. Alright, guys, so yeah, honestly, there weren't too many YOLOs today. Very surprising, because usually on Fridays, there's a lot of YOLOs. A lot of lost corn with a P. Today, there really wasn't too much. So, not too much to choose from, at least. But hey, still pulled a few out, so should be fun. Let's do it. Let's start out with the memes. Still loading here. I'm gonna give this a sec to finish loading. Alright, let's get started. So, yeah, I got a few memes to start with. So this first one is by Bookish Tiger. They say, "I'm still smiling." Hey, it's our favorite stockbroker right here, our favorite trader. I think this guy's name is like Peter Tuchman, actually, something. Peter Tuchman? Peter something. Buying Tesla this week. Monday. This kind of reminds me of Wolf of Wall Street. Like, this kind of looks like Margie, or Robbie Margot. Yep, so our favorite trader again. So, I think he's still happy buying Tesla this week. I love this guy. This guy's a living legend right here. Look at this. Who is this guy anyway? Get out of here. Yeah. Peter Tuchman. Tuchman? Tuchman? Tuchman. I think it's Tuchman. The most photographed Wall Street trader. Alright, that's enough of that. I found lucky Wall Street bets. YOLO got lucky. Robin Hood rant. Alright, dude, we'll get to that. So, yeah. Got a meme of our favorite trader here, Peter Tuchman. And then we got this video here. Squid Game meme. This was pretty funny to me. So this one's by Dangerous Funny, 1999. They say Q3 2021. So let's watch this. So I don't know if you guys saw Squid Game, but this is like a scene from Squid Game. Is there sound? Yeah. Fly me to the moon. Actually, we should not play the sound. I don't want to get copyright here. Let's start over. Alright, so this is earnings. Snap. Twitter. Moderna. Everyone's getting wrecked. Roblox. Nancy Pelosi. Chegg. Upstart. Everyone's getting wrecked. Coinbase. Oh, Square got wrecked. Starbucks. Roku. PayPal. Facebook, Apple, they're good. AMC, uh-oh, bam. Robinhood, bam. Activision Blizzard, bam. AMD. AMD's good. Ford, Roblox, yep, they're all good. Spotify. Airbnb. Microsoft. Apple, Tesla, they just barely made it. DoorDash. Zillow, wrecked. GM, Fubo, Palantir, Peloton, wrecked. That was good, that was good. I had a good laugh at this one. Why all Bitcoin mining stocks rallied today, but crypto tanked? Yeah, that did not make any sense to me. I think Team Crawford mentioned that in Discord. He said BTB was mooning, and I'm like, that makes no sense because crypto's getting wrecked. Why is that happening? Hey, nothing makes sense anymore. Alright. Sorry about the sirens, guys. Let me actually mute for a second. Alright, on to the actual Yolos now. So this one is by Bundog Grillionaire. They say, it's your boy Bundog. I'm back with another YOLO wish. So here we have shares. We usually don't talk about shares. You know, we usually do options. But this one was so absurd, we have to take a look at this one. So, yep. 323,000 shares of Wish. And, yeah, right now he's down $1.9 million. Down 52%. That is nasty. So he probably bought Wish at like 10. Something like that. Yeah. This is pretty nasty. Yeah, cost basis was 3.7 million down to 3.8 million. So, disgusting. This sucks. But hey, at least it shares. Eventually it should go back up. But this is crazy. Either this guy's just rich or stupid. Or stupid rich. Or both. Why do you make an offer to buy the company? Lol. This is what happens when somebody has more money than they should. Yeah, damn right. This is what happens when someone wins big in Vegas and then gives it all back. This is a retirement account? Oh my goodness. This is his retirement money? Something tells me against all odds you won't be retiring. He retired at 39. How do you accrue such wealth at such a young age? A small loan of $1 million from his father. He's taking a shot at Donald Trump right there. Built it all myself through trading 70K that I saved through working for 15 years. I traded 70K to 11 million. Really? That's pretty impressive. That's pretty damn impressive. Why didn't he start his own hedge fund then? If he's that good? Jeez. Well, if he's worth 11 million, then I guess this ain't too bad. This is only, you know, like 10% of his net worth here. But still pretty disgusting. Little more, 15%. But yeah, you know, like I said, usually don't talk about shares, but this is just so absurd we had to talk about it. So, Bundog Grillionaire, thanks for posting. Great content. Very entertaining. Sorry for your loss, dude. This is disgusting. Probably have a lot more money than, like, most of the Wall Street bets combined. But yeah, super disgusting. I guess all you can do at this point is hold, right? Maybe average down, I guess. But probably going to take a while before you get your money back. But eventually you should. But yeah, disgusting. At least it's not options. You can just hold. Hold till you make your money back. Probably going to be a couple of years, though. So, thanks for posting. Sorry for your loss. But great content. And good luck to you, dude. Hope you make your money back. Unless he's related with Trump. Maybe that is Trump. I I don't. Well, maybe I don't. Everything any investment he does, any business he does, goes to zero. You know, so I don't think it's Trump, but kind of seems like it. All right, this one is by Nice Guy 81. They say Roblox earnings play filled 1 minute before the market close. Okay. All right. Let's do some math here. So this was a $925 YOLO. $925 YOLO. He has 25 calls for Roblox, $100 strike, expiring November 12th. So this is over right now. I believe Roblox did finish in the money here. Or above 100. Yeah, Roblox finishes at 107. So yeah, $925 YOLO. Right now he's up over $22,000, $22,400. That is up 2,400%. Gotta mute real quick, guys. Here comes a siren, my bad. Alright, my apologies. So yeah, the play itself, this is very, very risky. I would not recommend you guys do this. You really can't get too much more FD than this. 1 day YOLO, super out of the money. So bad strike, bad expiration, but it was well timed. He got lucky. This is straight up luck, let's be honest. Straight up luck here. This typically does not happen. So that's how you make 2,400% in 1 day. Crazy, insane stuff here. So I don't like the play. I don't think you guys should do this, but he got lucky. And yeah, he's up 22,400 bucks, 2,400%. And it's over. It's over. It's expired in the money. It expired. Actually, it's not over yet. It expires in 5 minutes at 5:30. But yeah, you know, it's going to expire in the money. Crazy stuff here. Yeah, he only put 900 bucks and he made 22,000. Insane, right? So, Nice Guy 81. Thanks for posting. Congratulations to you, dude. This is absurd. Let's be real. This is a pretty bad play. Bad strike, bad expiration, super FD. But you got pretty damn lucky here. And, yep. That's how you make $22,000 from $900 in 1 day. You need Jesus. That's how. So yeah, it's over, dude. Congrats. Congrats on the tendies. All I'll say is don't do this again. Don't rechuck your money. It's not even investing. Don't gamble your money away again. This is extremely lucky. Probably not going to happen again. So, you know, enjoy the tendies. Don't chuck it away. Be smart with it. Jesus, you bought the 100 calls for those earnings? Absolutely massive balls. Good stuff, good stuff. Alright, this one is by Aggravating Search 774. They say YOLO on Baba calls before earnings next week. Okay. So we got 80 calls here for Alibaba. December 17th expiration, so about 1 month to go. Not a bad strike there. Not a bad expiration, my bad. $205 strike. So this appears to be a $9,500 YOLO, $9,500 YOLO. Right now he's down $2,500, down 26%. So not looking good so far. Let's check it out. Is it at 160? All right, 167. All right. This is insane. This is insane. Alibaba's at 167. So he has a month to go. You know, that's a lot of time. I mean, a good amount of time. But this needs to go to 205. You got to be kidding me. So, what will that be? 10, 20. He needs 30% gain in 1 month. And this is not a meme stock. This is Alibaba, you know. This stuff doesn't just moon like this out of nowhere. So 30% needed in 1 month. I don't like it. I really don't like it. Way out of the money. I don't like the strike. Expiration isn't the worst, but it's only a month, you know. Don't really like that. And I can't really comment on the timing. But overall, pretty bad play if you ask me. I really don't like it. And it's going bad already. So, I guess you can hold it through earnings. And maybe this will jump. I would just hold it through earnings. Hopefully it goes up. But after earnings, no matter what, I would just cut it. Hopefully it goes up. You can make some money back. Hopefully you can finish in the green. But at this point, you just got to save face. So I think the play here, hold for 1 week. Hold through earnings. Whether it goes up or down, cut it immediately. If it goes down, you know, that's it for this play. It's not gonna. I mean, I don't think it's gonna work either way. But you know, hopefully, you can make some money back, or hopefully this will go in the green. But yeah, tough spot here. And the way you avoid this is not to do it in the first place. So aggravating search 774. Thanks for posting. Great content. Sorry for your loss so far. And yeah, dude, I'm gonna be honest, I don't like this one. I don't think it's a good strike. I don't think it's a good expiration. And I don't think it's gonna work. So at this point, all you can really do is save face. So I think you should hold this through earnings. I hope it goes up, but no matter what, after earnings, I would suggest you cut this. Because if you don't, it's probably going to zero. So, you know, escape with as much money as you can here, but this is not looking good. So, yep. Thanks for posting. Great content. Sorry for your loss so far. Good luck to you, and please post updates. Might be able to write this one off as a donation. The CCP thanks him. This is a lose-lose situation. Even if they smash earnings, the stock will tank. Yeah, this is bad. This is bad. The guy need a miracle to Alibaba to reach $210. Yeah, hell yeah. It need a real Santa rally for Alibaba. He will write to Santa, all I want Alibaba to reach 250, 205. I think you mean. All I want for Christmas is Alibaba to reach 250. Yeah, keep dreaming. Keep dreaming. Maybe next Christmas. I don't know about this one. All right, this one is by Top Season 94. So, reviewed this guy a bunch of times before. Nice to see him posting again. Legend right here. Wall Street Bets legend. He says, I can finally afford the Dash Pass. All right. Let's check it out. So, Super FD here. Super FD. 25 calls for DoorDash. $235 strike expiring today. It is over. It is over. So this appears to be a $8,000 YOLO. Yeah, $8,000 YOLO. Right now he's up about $16,000, 203%. Let's take a look at DoorDash. Yeah, it finished went up. Damn, it went up $18 today. Yeah, super FD. So yep, in the money, 245. So the play itself, very risky. I do not advise you guys to do this unless you can afford to lose the money. Straight up gamble here. Not a good strike, not a good expiration, but it was very well timed. So yeah, this was a super gamble, super FD, and he got lucky. But these results are not typical. Please do not expect results like this, guys. But yeah, super FD, super gamble, and it worked out. And it's over. So he's up 200%. And yeah, dude, risky stuff, really ballsy, but it worked. So congrats to you. Enjoy the tendies, and please don't chuck it all back. Please do not chuck it all back. You got really lucky here. Secure the gains. Enjoy it. Don't do anything stupid. Don't give it back. But I'm sure you will, because this guy posts a lot. He posts a lot on Wall Street Bets, so I'm sure we'll see more of him in the future here. So, top season 49. Thanks for posting. Again, appreciate you, dude. Very active community member on Wall Street Bets. So appreciate the post. Good stuff. Very, very entertaining. So as for the play itself, let's be honest, pretty bad all around. Bad strike, bad expiration, but good timing, and got really lucky here. So it's over. You finished up 16K, 200%. And at this point, enjoy the tendies. Don't do anything stupid. Don't give it back. I'm sure you will, though. So, hey, if it's in the name of content, hey, who cares? So, thanks for posting. Congrats to you. Enjoy the tendies, and good luck to you in the future. Definitely look forward to hearing from you again. I know he's going to post again. You got YOLO shop in Wall Street Bets today? I think so. Is it this one? Might be this one. This one is by Miss Misty. They say, Happy Friday, Art Hards. 102K gains in a single day. Bought these on Wednesday, was down 30K yesterday, cashed out 77K in gains today. Happy Friday. Okay. So I guess it's over already. But let's check it out. Here we have 15 calls for Shopify. $1,490 call, expiring December 17th. So 1 month out. This was a... What was this? I think this was a $110,000 YOLO, approximately. $110,000 YOLO. And I think it's a girl. I think, yeah, so she's... So total return, yeah, so she's up 77.5K, $77,000, $77,500, 57.45%. Let's check out Shopify. This is way in the money. Damn. Okay, so honestly, this wasn't even that bad. The strike is pretty good. This was like an at-the-money strike. 1,500, around there. So I do like the strike. Expiration's a little bit too close for my liking. A month out. And, yeah, this is very risky. She said she was down 30K yesterday and was up 77K today. So, yeah, $100,000 gain in one day. That is stupid. Very risky. But, hey, props to you, because you did hit the sell button when you should have. So, yeah, big gain today. Yeah. that was the right call, hitting the sell button. So as for the play itself, it's not too bad. It's okay. It's not great. It's not terrible. Good strike. Not the best expiration, but great timing. So decent play overall. And yeah, it worked out here. And good thing you hit the sell button. That was a major win right there, hitting the sell button. Usually apes just let it ride. If you let it ride, it probably would have went to 0. But yep, it's over. So yeah, Miss Misty, thanks for posting. Congrats to you. Great content. The play itself, pretty decent. Not the best, but pretty decent. Good strike. Not the best expiration, but good timing. And really happy you hit the sell button. That was the right thing to do here. If you didn't, this probably would have went really bad. So, don't really recommend you guys make a play like this unless you can afford to lose the money. This is very risky. And, yep. With a little bit of luck and right timing of hitting the sell button, she finishes up 77K, 77.5K. So, congrats. So thanks for posting. Congratulations to you. Great content. And good luck to you in the future. What does cashed out mean? It means I sold all my calls and deposited into my bank. Lol. You can do that? Lost 120K on Amazon because I didn't cash out. Learned my lesson well. See? Yep. She learned her lesson. She says she bought puts now. Holy crap. Wow. So she's going Chad mode. $1,640 strike. January 21st expiration. Well, good luck to that. Super Chad mode. Shop went up $1,600. He make tons of money if he didn't sell. No, he sold after it went up to $1,600. So really couldn't play this any better. Pretty sure they sold 4 hours ago. So it could have made more money. It could have made more money if he held. But can't be upset with this. All right, so let's do low rollers, Yolos, and let's get out of here. $400 to $12,000 with Mara. Holy crap. All right, so Marathon November 12th, so it's over already. Super FD. $45 strike. Wow. So I don't think this was an FD. This is a good play. This is way in advance. Yeah, this is a good play. Very well done. Not sure when these were bought, but good strike, good expiration, and yep, paid off real big. $400 to $12,000. That is insane. So yeah, this was not an FD. This is very well planned and executed. So well done, well done. Congrats on attendees. Show me 12K to 0 next month. Nice, dude. I was in at 5 for only like $200, but sold like a biatch at 19. Oh, that sucks. All right, last one. This what is it? This isn't even Robinhood Rant. Okay, this isn't a YOLO. Robinhood Rant by Tuckahoe. Big F Robinhood Energy. I agree. I do not like that company, and I'm gonna be pissed if they sell if my information got leaked because they got hacked, they got breached. So I had Apple 150 calls expiring today, and without notice, they closed my position at 3:02 p.m. when the stock was at 149.76, and of course it rallied into the money by as much as 150.40 by 3:30. I immediately called support. They picked up. Really? That's surprising. And after a run around, they called me back after the market closed, saying that the risk assessment team made the decision to close. What? That's illegal. You can't do that. You can't do that. Was it on margin? Why wouldn't they send a notification ahead of time stating that by a certain time they would close the position? Nothing. They sold right before the stock rallied into the close. The CSR, customer representative, offered zero condolences or any modicum of help. So this is another PSA F Robinhood. I hope their stock burns to the ground. I'm withdrawing all of my funds and moving to a better platform. Well, I don't know why I used it in the first place. Everyone knows they suck. Lesson learned. Yes, I'm retarded and I don't know how to read. More or less just venting to my fellow apes. For those who are unaware of this, well, now you know. Thanks for the lashing, but still F Robinhood. So what happened here? Okay. So apparently they exercise at 3 p.m. So it was his fault, I guess. But that is pretty shady. No other brokerage does this. Everyone's calling him stupid. Alright, so it was his fault. I get it. It was his fault because he didn't read. Like the South Park episode, right? The human centipede. Why won't he read? But at the same time, they shouldn't be closing your options at 3 p.m. anyway. Like, no one else does this. No one else does this. Every other brokerage closes at 5:30. Why are they closing at 3? That is stupid. That is stupid. Your first mistake was using Robinhood? Agreed. Go to a real broker that allows you to make retarded decisions. Alright, so yeah, long story short, it is this guy's own fault because he didn't know their terms and conditions. But their terms and conditions shouldn't be this in the first place. That is stupid, so. Very unfortunate. So, yeah, while it's not Robinhood's fault, it is pretty shady, I will say. But at the end of the day, it is this guy's fault. So that sucks. I agree. F Robinhood. Don't use Robinhood, guys. The only thing I'd really use Robinhood for is crypto. That's it. Not even just for crypto, just for Doge, actually. So I've never used Robinhood. I have an account. I can't get in. Screw them. And, yep, I agree. F Robinhood. But in this case, it's his own fault. But still, F Robinhood. Robinhood warns you sell your positions at 3 p.m. rules for option calls. Yeah, so I didn't know that. I don't use Robinhood, so I wouldn't know. But, alright, so that is the rule, but it's a stupid rule. That's all I'm saying. Nobody else does this. Everyone else is 5:30, not 3. So, yep. Rules are rules, but this is a stupid rule. Alright, guys. That is the show for today. Let's check out the aftermarket action before we go. Damn, GGPI is mooning. GGPI and GGPI W are mooning right now. So I know Marvin's happy. You can call Robinhood support phone call to get your account back. Yeah, I can, but at this point I really don't even want to. Cause I don't even use it. I just needed to get into it to buy Doge, but I just bought it on Coinbase anyway, so I really don't care. I really don't care. And I heard their customer support is ass anyway, so I'll just make a new account, you know, honestly. I'm not even going to do that. I hate Robinhood. But Um, yeah, they locked me out of my account for no reason, and I don't want to use them anyway, so whatever. All right, guys. Yeah, that's the show for today. So short show, not much to talk about, not so many stocks, not so many Yolos to go over, but short and sweet. Enjoyed my time today with you guys. Appreciate you guys for being here. And yeah, I still think I'm shadow banned, but I'll keep on posting content. And hopefully I get unshadow banned soon. So please like the video, guys. I really need your support so I can get unshadow banned and we can get the channel back up and running again. You know it. Yeah, dude, congrats. You are printing right now. Very happy for you. All right, anything else, guys? Questions, comments, concerns, any charts you want me to look at? Any random stuff in life? So we went about an hour 50 minutes here. Not bad. Yeah, short show, but great show. And I mean that's good because I'm not gonna have to do too much editing later. Usually it takes like 2 hours to edit. Today's probably only gonna take like half an hour. I've been trying to tell you guys to get some of that GGPI. Yeah, we should have listened, dude. You were right. You were right. So congrats to you, man. All right, going once. Going twice. Peyton. All right, cool. What's up, Machete? Thanks for being here, dude. Appreciate you. Please hit the like button, guys. I need to get unshadow banned. And Peloton. Let's take a look at that real quick. I mean, I did cover this, not too long ago in one of the shows. I did believe I said buy. So it does look like it's bottoming out here. This looks like a really good buy, not gonna lie. 20 RSI, super undervalued. Gap down at, 85, 86. It does look like it's bottoming out. Very strong support at like 48. So, calls? Yeah, I mean, that could be a good idea. For sure. Calls, shares, either way. Looks like a great buy right here. And from 48 to 86, that's not 100%, but that's a lot of upside potential there. And Christmas is coming up, so I guess, well, people are going back to the office now and going back outside, so I don't think there's as much of a demand for Peloton. But Christmas is coming up, and there probably is going to be a good amount of sales for Peloton. Remember that commercial last year with the guy who bought the Peloton for his wife, and then she's like, "How did you know? This is exactly what I wanted." And then people got pissed because it's like that's so misogynistic. Are you calling your wife fat? What if she really wanted it? Anyway, so yeah, it looks like a great buy right now, I would say. Really shouldn't go lower than 48. Great buy here. I was on the road, had to go pay some bills, so I was in and out. That's fine, dude. Do your thing. Glad you can make the show. You can call YouTube, Twitter to fix your channel. I don't know. Again, I can't even confirm if I'm shadow banned or not, but I'm pretty sure I am because my stuff is not getting promoted by YouTube right now, and I don't think they're gonna help. In all honesty, I'm not concerned. As long as it's gonna fix itself eventually. I just have to keep pumping out the content. I think I'm in timeout right now. I think someone reported me because I said something they didn't like. I said Jasmine was going down. Everyone called me. These idiots called me an idiot for saying Jasmine's going down. Who's the idiot now? I said it was going down at 35. It went down to 18 today. 50%. And, usually I would comment back and say, like, yeah, who's the idiot now? But I don't want to get reported again. That's the only thing. So, not trying to start any fights right now. But as long as I pump out the videos and as long as you guys, hit the like button and promote me, help me out here, it should go back to normal. GGPI hit the top or by Monday. I'm not sure. Let's check it out. Well, I'll just say I personally would not buy right here. Not saying it's not going to keep going up. It very well could. But at this point, going long is a gamble, you know? I mean, it's at 16 right now in the aftermarket. Holy crap. So it's gonna gap on Monday. If it's at 14, it's probably coming back to 13 on Monday. If it opens right here at 14, it's gonna gap up at 13.05. So probably coming back to 13. Yeah, I personally wouldn't go long here, but it very well could keep on going. So if you go long, it's a high risk, high reward play. Straight up gamble. So do it at your own risk. I personally would not do it. But yeah, 77 RSI, all-time high, up in the aftermarket here. So risky stuff, really risky stuff. I wouldn't do it, but I'd be okay with. I'd support you guys if you want to go long, as long as you understand this is a gamble. Contact YouTube team at Twitter. Get rid of shadow ban. Yeah, we'll see, dude. We'll see. Again, I'm not too concerned about it. I don't even think they're gonna help much. But if it continues to be a problem, then for sure I'm gonna say what's up. But you know, it's a small channel. I think they really don't care. Blue calls. Wow, what a chart! Look at this. So gap down at 45. Holy crap! Double gap down. RSI's at 28, so yeah, undervalued, oversold. Crazy chart. Double gap down. This one did fail, but double gap down. So it looks like a good buy to me. I don't even know what this is. Bluebird Bio, so it's sounds like biotech. Yeah, this one looks like a good buy to me. Not financial advice. But Peloton is definitely the better buy, I would say, because that's more blue chip. But yeah, chart looks good to me. I don't know what this company is, but just based on the TA, looks good here. But I'm really gonna consider Peloton. This looks really good right here. I don't know. You know, I think they're gonna be a lot of sales during Christmas, and this is just a great buy right here. But you know, I want to go for calls. I don't want to be too much of a degenerate, but this does look like a good buy right now. All right, guys. Anything else? Anything else? All right, going once. Going twice. Thanks again at the once over, Chief. Yeah, thanks for coming, joining at the end of the show, dude. Short show, but glad you could pop in. And appreciate you. Appreciate all you guys. All right, let's get out of here. And let's go Knicks. I'm going to the game after Thanksgiving. Excited for that. But about to go watch this game right now. All right. Thanks, everyone, for watching today. I appreciate you guys. Please, like the video. Please subscribe. And catch me every weekday after market close on the Smarter Gambling Show. You apes already know. Diamond hands to the moon. Just GGPI to the moon? Yeah, I hope so, dude. Rooting for you. It is going to the moon right now. I'm Ty. This is Smarter Gambling. See you guys on Monday. Have a great weekend, everybody. Peace out.